a $700 Edikted clothing haul. We're getting right for the spring and summer. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Janelle. I'm a professional makeup artist and content creator. I'm also a certified shopaholic, but a smart shopper. I love to find quality pieces, but at a good price. And I feel like I found just that with Edikted. Edikted did provide me with all these goodies, but I'll give you guys my honest review. I'm gonna be trying everything on. And if there's anything in this video that you want to pick up, you can use the discount code Janelle Mariss 10 for 10% off. Let's get into this bag and I'll show you what I got. Alright, first let's start with what I have on. Look how cute this shirt is. I wanted to get pieces perfect for like end of winter, segueing into spring that were still warm but like not too heavy. It's so soft and comfortable. It does have these little like holes throughout it, but I just wore like a really large bandeau top under. I stocked up on their jeans. This first pair of denim, I can't wait to show you how they look on. I already wore them out for a date night last Friday. This is their slitted distressed low-rise jeans. Do you see the wash of them? I love how they have that brownie undertone. I feel like they go perfect with shades like this and browns and even yellows. This is how the pants look on. I've actually already worn these like 3 times and I just washed them. They did slightly shrink in the wash, but I just love them. I think they're so cute and they elevate any look. Next we have this skirt. This is their Polina double belt pleated mini skirt, and I got all the mini skirts in a size medium just because I wanted to give that little like low-rise mini skirt a trim, but I wanted it to come down to a comfortable length on myself. I thought this would look so cute with like the top that I have on today. It would also look cute with tank tops and stuff in the summer and sneakers. How the skirt looks. This is really cute. Like I said, I got this in a size medium so it would hit me at a more comfy length, and I really like it, especially with like a more long sleeve shirt like this, some knee-high boots. You could also dress this down with like sneakers and like a casual black tank top in the summer. This is so cute. Next on the roster, we have this Yafa asymmetrical off-the-shoulder top. I love anything off the shoulder or like asymmetrical. I just feel like it's such a fun detail, especially for like more basic tops like this. And I love the ruching on the side too. You can tie it up if you want it like more high on one side, or you can wear it more loose and it would be like a full length. I wore this on my Friday date night last week with those low-rise jeans I was showing you earlier. Again, such a basic outfit, but these fun little details just gave the whole fit a little bit more interest. And that's why I do love sites like Edikted when I want to spruce up my wardrobe for the spring and summer months. Again, I want to get into the low-rise vibes. I wanted to give it a try. So I picked up a low-rise denim mini skirt. Again, I got it in a size medium. That way it would come like a little bit longer. It does look cute on. I love the brown tie detail on this. I feel like this will tie it into like a top like this really nice because it's on that same like warm color family. I'm excited to wear skirts like this with more like oversized chunky sweaters. I actually picked one up in this haul that I think it would look really cute with again some knee-high boots. You could wear it with sneakers. And this is how that brown top and skirt look. How fun is this? I absolutely love this top. I already wore this for like a little Friday night date night with the low-rise denim, and I just feel like it's such a good basic because you got the little fringes here that you can actually cinch these up if you want it like higher. I would totally wear this with like an oversized jacket over top or like something longer. That way you get the mini skirt vibes, but it's like a little bit more covered up, but nonetheless still super cute. I think a fun way to switch up like a basic denim short. So I want a cute little skirt, oversized leather jacket or denim jacket, and I feel like this outfit would be so cute. Ooh, this set was so cute. I can't wait to wear it mainly around the house. Like just has a cute little lounge set, but then also the top I think I would love to wear out with some jeans. So it's this little gingham print corset top. You can get the matching shorts separate, again with that lace detailing. And this is how the set looks together. I sized up in the top and bottom so it'd be a little bit longer. This is like a really cute summer work from home outfit. You look cute, you feel cute. I would not wear these shorts out and about. They're just a little too short for my liking, but together as a set, working from home, love, so cute. And this top, absolutely adorable. I never thought I would own anything in this print. This is their camo and bow low rise denim jeans. I just need to show you how they look. I haven't tried them on yet, but I have high hopes. The quality of these feels so nice, and they were $58, which I was eyeing an exact pair of these from another brand for like way more. They have these adorable little bow details on the back, and I just feel like that juxtaposed with the camo print, it's like kind of masculine with this girly touch. So fun, especially for summer. These pants with more basic, sleek, chic tops, my nicer like coats or jackets. I can't wait to style this so many different ways. It's not even funny. Some sneakers or even some like serious pointed toe heels. I'm gonna have so much fun with those jeans this summer. Oh my gosh. With the little bows on the back, I love. Right now I have a pair of sneakers. I don't know if you can see. Let me, whatever outfit you were gonna throw on a basic pair of denim with, throw these on instead. So fun. I love contrasting outfits like that and like the juxtaposition of like something fun like this with like a serious button up like the one I'm about to show you. So this is their, I wish they had the names of it on the packaging, tailored pinstripe button up shirt. I got this in a size medium, and the fun thing about this top, you'll see it on, is it cinches in right here, so it almost has like this corset type of style to it. Oh my gosh, how cute is this top? This was like a basic pair of denim shorts, dress skirt. I absolutely love it, and the cut of it is so flattering. I love how it's not like your typical tailored top. The little silhouette here and like not boning, but like the stitching almost looks like a boning, so it really cinches in the waist. This is probably one of my favorite pieces from this haul because it's like modest covered up, but it like snatches you in. You could wear this for a little date night. You could wear this to the office with like a little blazer over top. Oh, right now I have it paired with these jeans that I'm about to show you later on in the haul. These are really cute. They're like cargo pants. Like a basic top like this will just look so nice with any of the bottoms that I got in this haul. We got some matching sets because I love me a good matching set. On the pinstripe vibes, we got the Aliza pinstripe pants with the Aliza strapless pinstripe corset. This is cute. So it's just like a basic pinstripe corset. What's great about this too is that it ties in the back. So if it is too tight or if it's too loose, I can have it fit perfect to size. How freaking cute would this pinstripe top look underneath of this? Layered together. Oh, this is like the type of top I could wear with leather pants, black pants, any of the jeans I got, even the camo pants. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much freaking fun putting together outfits now. I can't wait. This is such a cute top, but obviously I can wear it with the matching pants. And I can't remember if these are low rise or not. These are the pants. You'll get a way better idea of how they look on. My second favorite piece from this entire haul. These pants are so stretchy and comfortable. They're like perfect to wear to the office because you'll literally feel like you're in pajamas. I absolutely love them. They're so flattering. And right now I have it paired with the corset top. I also really like this corset top. I got this in a size small. Probably could have gotten a medium, but it's nice because it's a tie back, so I just have it very loose. But I would definitely size up in their tops and honestly a lot of their bottoms. But I love this. I would wear this outfit just like this with some sneakers to do makeup, for like bridal makeup. And what I love about getting sets like this is it's an easy outfit to throw together and wear like this, or you can totally just wear the top with some loose oversized denim. Love, 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 love this piece. I'm so excited to mix and match these pieces together, but then also incorporate them with pieces that I already have in my wardrobe. Ooh, this is such a fun summer set. Again, I love a good matching set. You don't gotta think about it. Dinette boxer shorts and then the Dinette oversized button-up shirt. I got both of these in a size medium. Your girl has fuller legs, so I just like things to be a little bit looser and come a little further down. Honestly, I probably could have gotten away with a size large. I think will be perfect to wear over the summertime, like as a bikini cover up. This set would be so cute. 4th of July? I'm ready this summer. Also, look how pretty that blue is. I love the white peeking through on the cuffs and at the top of the shorts. Such a cute top. This top would even look cute with jean shorts, any of the low-rise denim that I picked up. If you worked an office job, you could get a set like this to literally wear the top to the office, wear the set together when you're at home, wear them to the pool. Like, I love sets like this because you can get so much use out of them. How that blue set looks. The shorts, a little short, but this top I love. I love wearing crop, more business tops like this last summer with like oversized, light, ripped denim. It's just so, it's such an easy outfit. It's comfortable. And then this material feels like nice, airy, and breathable. I love the little detailing here and on the sleeves. I just think it's really cute. These look like they're gonna be so freaking fire. If you're into the cargo vibe, but you don't like all the pockets, you still want it to look sleek, but still have that like oversized cool girl look, these are the pants for you. Just look at this. They remind me so much of a pair of really expensive pants I have like this from another brand that I spent like I think $150 on, and these were $37.60. These are the Morgan Low Rise Carpenter jeans. All right, these were those cargo pants I had on earlier. I think that this color, it's like a olive tan color. I think this would pair beautiful with powder blue and butter yellow. Honestly, I love both of these pieces so much. I'll be wearing them a ton this summer. You know, I wanted to pick up elevated basics because I feel like those are the things that make it easy to put outfits together, but when they have something fun to them, it just makes you more excited and inclined to wear them for like a date night or like a girls' night. So this is the free square neck open back top. Basically the front is lined with like this little lace trim, and then the back is completely open and it ties. I'm just gonna show you how it looks on because holding it up, like, how do you make sense of this? This is how the black top looks on. Such a cute basic to have because obviously you could wear it with absolutely anything. And the open back just really elevates it. I feel like this is perfect for a date night. You could wear this with like a long satin skirt. You could wear it with the same cargo denim that I have or basic jeans. So many ways to style this, but I think with like a long satin denim skirt with some like kitten heels, so beautiful for like a cute little date night. Next we have this oversized charcoal gray cardigan. I've been loving this type of like almost like slate charcoal gray. I think the contrast up against the warmth of my skin looks really flattering. What caught my eye most about this sweater is that it is 100% cotton, so it's super breathable, but it's also very like lightweight and like airy. So this is perfect to wear like for summer evenings or even like in this time of the year where it's like not too cold to wear a full-on jacket. But just imagine this with that little skirt, mini skirt, and then some booties. It was $33.60, which I thought was a great price considering the quality and the material that it's made out of. I didn't even remember getting this. This is the Ronnie asymmetric long sleeve top. I should have worn this top for this video. I have a similar top to this in gray, but the material does not feel this nice. Like, I love this Slinky material. Nice and stretchy. It honestly almost feels like a workout top. Honestly, the main reason why I got this red top, it's obvious that it would look cute with any of the denim, but just imagine the contrast of this with the camo. How hot would that be? This is so cute. These are the cutest pair of pants I own. I just feel like they'll amp up any summer outfit. They have cute little pink bows in the back. And then this top, this basic red off the shoulder top, so soft. I got it in a size medium so that it could be fitted but like way comfy and not constricting. I love, 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 love. All right, so this is the Scout. I have the zip up faux leather corset with the faux leather skirt. Let's start with the skirt because this is so cute. The wash of the brown. It is very short, but I love that there are built-in shorts. All right, this is how that mini skirt looks like on. There are shorts underneath of this. If not, I would not feel that confident wearing this. But I like the way it looks paired with like a really oversized cardigan. I'm actually gonna be talking about this later. The top that I purchased with this does not even zip up in the back. This is in a size small and it literally could not zip up, but it looks so cute, like on. Not completely on, because once my husband tried to zip it up completely, I look like a stuffed sausage. I wish I got this in the right size because how cute would that look with like the camo pants, any of the regular denim. This is the Mally polka dot corset top. I love the cream with the black. This you could obviously wear on its own for like a summer night, spring evening. I love the satin with the polka dots and the lace, so pretty. And again, it ties in the back so you can wear this as tight as you want it or as small as you'd want it. Stop, this top is so beautiful. I got it in a size small. I honestly should have got a medium. Do you see that? Nonetheless, it's still cute. And I like how with these corset tops, you can kind of make it work even if you do accidentally get the wrong size. I love pairing like cute, dainty, frilly tops like this with more casual denim. So I have on those cargo low-rise like olivey tone denim, and I feel like the colors pair really nice together because this has like more of like a yellowy nude shade with the olivey nude. I also think this top would look gorgeous with some black denim, or you could keep it dressy and do like a black skirt. All right, next we have the Imani Satin Effect tank top. I love that detailing up here with the lace trim and the bow. Tops like this are just great to wear in the summer with shorts, jeans, dress it up, you could dress it down, you could wear it around the house. So pretty, and this color blue is absolutely gorgeous. It's like that Cinderella blue. Gosh, how adorable is this top? I love satin tops with like lace trim. You could wear this with leather pants, denim, even these cargo pants and some sneakers. The juxtaposition, so cute. And then you got the little bows to match like the vibe of the top. This is one of those pieces that like I will have in my wardrobe for so long because it's just such a good basic top to have and to wear with like jeans and so many different outfits. This is a slightly more fitted chunky knit white cardigan. Again, the material is 100% cotton, which is what really sold me on it. And this is their Odelia cable knit cardigan. It was $29. I love this cardigan. It's so soft and lightweight. Such a cute basic staple that again you can wear so many ways because you could switch up the buttons. You could have it completely buttoned. You could button the top, leave the bottom open. You could wear it completely open with like that cute blue tank underneath of it. And this is the type of piece that you could wear in the summer, in the spring, in the fall, in the winter. I got this in a size medium because I wanted it to be fitted but like not too tight, you know. I wanted to be able to wear it over top of like my tanks and things like that. Last we have the Berkeley keyhole gathered top. I love basic tops like this with fun details like the little keyhole, the ruching on the side. Having those details just elevates it. So jeans and a basic top outfit look so much more interesting than what it is, especially with like good accessories. I love the color and the little peephole. Ruching is also so cute on it. They're great simple top, but like the color and then the little cutouts make it more fun. Obviously this would look cute with any pair of denim, but how cute does it look with that little mini skirt that we had earlier? So cute with some sneakers. And all right, you guys, that wraps it up for my $700 Edikted haul. If you've been interested or curious about trying anything from Edikted, I hope this video encourages you to give it a try. Some of the things I would keep note of before ordering: you might want to size up in tops. I feel like their bottoms run very like true to size, but something at the top. Other than that, I do really like their pieces. The quality of their denim is so nice. I think their tops are great for spring and summer, like picking out just like fun tops to mix and match with. And if you do decide to pick anything up, you can use the code JanelleMariss10 for 10% off your purchase. I don't get commission. It's strictly just a coupon code for you guys to use. I love you guys. I pray you all have the best week ever, and I'll see you next time.